My plan today is to fix my LCD display in the hour meter at the control panel, and I would also like to change my bulbs, because as you maybe have seen, the bulbs here original is not bright enough. The problem is, of course, there is not coming 12 volts to the display. It is around 8 to 11 volts. But when I mount these LED bulbs, then they will light up much brighter. And here we have the new LCD display, and it is from China, so I of course hope it is maybe a bit better quality than the original Volvo display. The Volvo display has the weakness that it fails over time, and it is almost failing on every single display they have made, so not that good. The problem is simply that there is seeping in water into the area here, and it then goes bad, and then it is not functioning anymore. Something I am a bit excited about is to find out if the hours is hidden away in the little chip there, or the hours is in the electronics inside the tachometer. But we will of course find out. The tachometer is now reassembled, and I have of course also tested the tachometer here, as you saw, and then I will mount it again. As you can see, we have some butyl fug or caulking here in the edge, but my little plan is to use some butyl tape instead. I have now put on a small amount of butyl tape here around in the edge. It is simply to prevent any water from entering between the tachometer and the control panel. I think it was last year I had a serious leak in my pedestal, and it was actually here it was leaking. So it is pretty important to mount something. But the smart thing about this butyl tape is that it is pretty easy to remove again. As you can see, there is this little pin in the bottom, so you are sure that the tachometer sits where it must sit. Then I just mount tachometer here. There is of course some squeeze out in the sides, but I will just remove it with a toothpick or something when I have assembled the whole thing here. But yeah, I just put in the connections and then I will test it before I mount the whole panel here. The engine is now started up, and as you can see, it seems like it is working as it must do. I try to give it some power. Yeah, but yeah, as you can see, they're standing 807.6 hours, so that is very nice to see. The LCD display here only costs around $22 from China, and it is with shipping and everything, so that is actually pretty cheap. I have now cleaned it a bit around in the edge here for the butyl tape, and the last thing I will do before I mount the whole thing here is to put on some water to see if it is watertight, so it doesn't run into my cockpit here or pedestal. So yeah, I will put on some water and let us see if it is watertight. I have now poured on a lot of water and yeah, some water, and I will then check to see if it is leaking. Yeah, at first glance there is no water. Yeah, so for now I think it is totally okay. If anyone is fault finding the control panel here, I can show you the backside here. This one here is the alarm when there is hot engine or something, or low oil pressure. And then we have the on and off button, and then we have the alarm test switch and the glow switch in one switch. And then we have the start button here, down here. Here we have the light for the tachometer, and in the top here we also have the light for the tank sensor, and it is of course connected with all these wires. I think this instrument here is directly connected to the tank sensor. Then we have the multi-stick here, or multi-jack. And I have taken that apart in another video. Then we have the multi connection here for the electronic box here. And yeah, I don't know what this is, but maybe it is a resistance of some kind. And this one here is probably also a resistor, I think. Yeah, but I have not taken everything apart yet, so I'm not 100% sure. about all the wiring here. I saw on a Bavaria forum that a lot of people have problems with this plastic thing here at the cables. It is simply shattering. I don't know why it does it, but I have seen a couple of people where these plastic parts here just fly apart for no reason. But as you can see, my plastic parts here looks pretty okay. But I think it is a good idea to check it once in a while, so you don't get in trouble with your gear system.
Hvad? Prøv igen hele tiden, Paul. For helvede, mand. Sluk den motor. Sluk motoren. Hold da kæft, mand.
Instead of measuring directly on the batteries, you can of course also check the voltage here. As you can see, it is actually pretty good. And battery bank number 2, it is charging very well. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed my video, and I will see you next time. Bye.